the ultimate guide to financial planning for women. As more women take charge of their financial lives, understanding how to plan for the future becomes essential. While many women feel uncertain about money matters, the truth is, with the right knowledge, financial planning can be simple, empowering, and transformative. What is financial planning? Financial planning is your personal roadmap to financial success. It involves organizing your income, expenses, savings, investments, assets, and liabilities to help you achieve both short-term and long-term goals. Think of it as a strategy that helps you make informed decisions about your money today to secure your tomorrow. Why financial planning matters for women? Women often face unique financial challenges, career breaks for caregiving, longer life expectancy, and sometimes lower lifetime earnings. These factors make it even more important to have a solid financial plan. Here's how to get started. 1. Understand your cash flows. Begin by tracking your income, both active, salary, business income, and passive, rent, dividends. Then monitor your expenses. Create a monthly budget to see where your money goes and identify areas where you can save or invest more effectively. 2. Define your financial goals. Visualize your future. Are you planning to start a family, take a career break, buy a home, travel? Your goals, both short-term and long-term, 1 to 3 years and 10 plus years, will shape your financial strategy. Align your savings and investments to support these milestones. 3. Plan for longevity and inflation. Women in India live on average 2.7 years longer than men, and possibly much longer with improving healthcare. This makes retirement planning crucial. Also factor in inflation. The value of rupees 1 lakh today won't be the same in 10 years. Choose investments that grow faster than inflation. 4. Use the 50-30-20 rule flexibly. A popular budgeting guideline suggests 50% for essentials, rent, groceries, bills, 30% for savings and investments, 20% for lifestyle and leisure. However, tailor this rule to your personal goals and circumstances. Financial planning is not one size fits all. 5. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. An emergency fund acts as a financial cushion during crises like illness, job loss, or unexpected expenses. Aim to save at least 6 months' worth of living expenses. Consider a tiered approach. Credit card for immediate access, bank savings for short-term needs, liquid mutual funds for a slightly longer-term emergency. 6. Think about taxes and estate planning. Smart tax planning helps you retain more of your earnings. Don't just invest in tax-saving instruments, structure your portfolio to minimize tax liability overall. Also start estate planning early. This includes writing a will, nominating beneficiaries, and managing family wealth. Key takeaways. Start early. The sooner you begin, the more secure your financial future. Stay goal-oriented. Keep your life goals at the center of your financial decisions. Review regularly. Life changes, so should your financial plan. Financial planning isn't just about numbers. It's about freedom, confidence, and control. Whether you are just starting out or looking to refine your strategy, taking charge of your finances is one of the most powerful steps you can take.